LGBTQ plus community, I experienced a lot of bullying, discrimination, and gender inequality. At a very young age, this experience had to become a better person, to ignite my passion, to understand other actions toward LGBT. Today, I'm not only here to win the crowd, but also spread a gender awareness among my fellow. Always remember that being different doesn't mean you are wrong. It means you are you. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I am Maria Veronica 16, proud and loud to represent Purple Riders. At ngayon ako sa isang kasabihan na kung sumabog man ang kagandahan, pasensya na kayo, ako ang di naman. At kung sumabog man ang po ang kapangitan, pasensya ka na, candidate number 2, ikaw ang di naman. Sa ating lahat, andito nga pala sa inyong harapan ang baklang kasing ganda ni number 1. Huwag si number 2 kasi pangit yan. Represent si Blue Eagle. At naniniwala sa isang kasabihan, ako'y superhero ng kagandahan, nakakagawa ng kababalaghan kahit walang kapangyarihan. Alright, so